Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to supercharge your Excel skills using ChatGPT in 2025. Whether you are a beginner or already using Excel at your work, as you know what actually is Excel. So here you can see this is the Excel. I can say that if I search in here, just click here and search for Excel. You can see this is the Excel, Microsoft Excel. You just need to open it and then you will find out that you are familiar. So here you can see it's similar like Microsoft Sheet. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to open an Excel in your computer. Whether you are a beginner or already using Excel at work, this video will help you use OpenAI's ChatGPT like your personal Excel assistant. So without any further ado, let's dive in and become Excel's master faster and smarter. So why use ChatGPT for Excel? So let's face it. Excel is powerful, but it can also be frustrating. You might spend hours googling formulas, debugging errors, or trying to build dashboard, but with ChatGPT you can escape this struggle. Also, you just need to ask it, how do I calculate CAGR in Excel? Like this way, let's say we are going to write how do I calculate as a GR in Excel, and then you just need to enter and you will get the solution in here. You can write a formula to extract domain names from URLs also. ChatGPT gives you instant answer with step-by-step explanations. It's like having an Excel expert next to you 24/7 hours. It is one kind of a mentor for you. Now let's talk about the formula generations. One of the best feature is formula generations. Instead of memorizing VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, or index match, just describe what you need. For example, you can say that give me a formula that finds the last non-empty cell in a column, or you can say that create a conditional formula that highlights cells below 500. ChatGPT will write the formula and explain it simple terms. Let's say we are going to write create create a conditional formula that explain it in, like you just need to write that create a formula that highlight cells below 500. You can mention it would be Taka, like Bangladeshi currency, it would be USD, whatever. You just need to hit enter and you will get the conditions for you. Use this. ChatGPT will write the formula and explain it in simple way. And also you can even ask it to debug your formulas by copying and pasting your error messages. So let me give you a pro tip. Basically, you can set complex formula you generate into a formula cheat sheet Excel file. So here you can see we already get this formula. How we can do it? You can give the, like they already provide a step-by-step instruction. You just need to select the sales range. You want to apply the rule, for example, B2B 20, then go to the home tab and conditional formatting. Like here, if you come over here, you will find out all the things. You just need to go over here, and then you just need to go over here and then click on new rule and use formula to determine which cells to format. So the process is really simple, and they already give us the notes that is necessary for us to remember. Now let's talk about creating charts and dashboard. Like if you want to build a dashboard but don't know where to start, ChatGPT can help you. Like you just need to be asked, how do I create a KPI dashboard in Excel? Like let's say I'm going to write how do I create a KPI dashboard in Excel, and then you just need to hit enter when you will get all this thing in here. As you can see it, how amazing that was. So it will break it down into easy steps, including which chart type to use, how to use pivot tables, how to insert slides and filter. You can even ask for color suggestions, layout tips, and UX improvements. And now let's talk about the automations with the macros. So if you want to go from Excel user to Excel master, you just need to learn macros and let ChatGPT teach you. You don't need to know BBA or just describe what you want. Write a macro that removes blank rows from sheet 1. Or you can create a macro that sends an email when a cell hits a certain value. Like let's say I'm going to create this one, create a macro that sends an email when a cell hits a certain value, and then you just need to hit enter and it will give you all the troubleshoot errors and many things. Like ChatGPT will write the code, explain it, how to use it, and even help you troubleshoot the errors. This is perfect for your automating repetitive tasks like formatting, copying, and reporting. Then if you want to do import data and cleaning, inputting is messy data. Let ChatGPT clean it up for you. Ask it how to split full names into first and last, or convert dates into a specific format, or remove duplicates or blank rows. Like let's say I'm going to run remove duplicates and then hit enter and you will get this. Like you can also ask how to import data from Google Sheets, CSVs, or even APIs. ChatGPT will give you through using Power Query filter of built-in Excel functions. So now let's give a pro tip in here. Like you can save your frequently used cleaning tasks as macro in a well-path.xlsm. Now let's talk about real life examples. Let me give you a few real life prompts. You can try it. Like you can use I want to calculate monthly growth rate based on 2 columns, last month and this month. You can note this one. This is the first one, and the second one is give me a formula to highlight weekends in a calendar using conditional formatting. And in the last, that is write a macro to back up today's sheet with date stamped in. ChatGPT does not give an answer, it teaches you why it works, and over time you will learn Excel faster just by asking better questions. And now let's talk about the integrating with other tools. So in 2025, ChatGPT integrated with Excel by tools like Microsoft Copilot and browsers extension. This means you can literally type, summarize the spreadsheet, suggest trends based on this sales data, and ChatGPT can also help you prepare Excel data for Power BI and Google Sheets or Notions. You are not just learning Excel, you are becoming a data savvy problem solver. Now let's give one final tips and wrap up the video in here. To truly master Excel with ChatGPT, remember, be specific in your prompts. Always ask for explanations, not just answer. Save your favorite formulas, macros, and tips in one central Excel workbook. You can practice by working on real-life projects like budget, dashboard, and reports. Excel mastery is no longer about memorizing, it is about leveraging AI to think smarter and work faster. So start asking ChatGPT more Excel questions starting today. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and comment Excel's mastery if you are ready to level up in 2025.